Money problems don't start with low income. They start with lack of control. Most people don't know where their money actually goes. They earn, they spend, and they hope something is left. The envelope budgeting method flips this entire system. It forces you to give every dollar a job. Before money leaves your hand, it already has a purpose. The envelope budgeting method is simple but powerful. It is not about restriction. It is about awareness. It is about intention. It is about control. Instead of tracking expenses after spending, you plan spending before it happens. That single shift changes everything. The core idea is physical and psychological. You divide your income into categories. Each category gets its own envelope. Each envelope holds a fixed amount of money. When an envelope is empty, spending stops. Groceries get one envelope. Rent gets another envelope. Transportation gets its own envelope. Entertainment has a limit too. Eating out gets boundaries. Savings is treated like a bill. Cash makes spending real. Swiping a card feels painless. Handing over cash hurts slightly. That pain creates discipline. The envelope system uses human behavior against overspending. You see money leaving your hand. You see envelopes getting thinner. You feel the consequences instantly. This method became popular through personal finance educators. Dave Ramsey helped bring envelope budgeting into mainstream awareness. But the method existed long before modern finance apps. Families used it to survive on limited income. It worked then. It works now. The first step is calculating your monthly income, not gross income, real take-home income. After taxes, after deductions, only the money you actually receive. Next comes listing every expense category. Fixed expenses come first. Rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, minimum debt payments. Then come variable expenses, groceries, fuel, dining out, shopping, entertainment. Savings is not optional. Emergency fund gets an envelope too. Future goals get envelopes too. Without this, budgeting fails long term. Once categories are set, you assign exact dollars amounts. Not estimates, not wishes. Realistic numbers. If your income is limited, your categories must reflect reality. Envelope budgeting exposes financial truth. It does not allow denial. After assigning amounts, you physically fill envelopes with cash. Each envelope represents permission to spend. Nothing more. Nothing less. If your dining envelope has $150, that is your dining freedom for the month. If you spend it all in 2 weeks, the remaining 2 weeks have zero dining. This creates powerful spending awareness. Impulse purchases decrease naturally. You pause before spending. You ask questions. Do I really need this? Which envelope will pay for it? Is this worth emptying that envelope? That moment of pause is where habits change. The envelope system removes guilt. You spend freely within limits. No guessing. No regret. If money's in the envelope, you are allowed to spend it. Overspending disappears because rules are clear. No mental math. No credit card confusion. Debt control improves rapidly. People realize how much money leaks daily. Small expenses become visible enemies. Coffee runs. Impulse snacks. Random online orders. Envelope budgeting forces trade-offs. More spending here means less spending there. That is real financial decision-making. Savings grow automatically because money is separated early, not saved if something is left. Psychology plays a huge role here. Cash creates boundaries. Boundaries create discipline. Discipline creates confidence. People who fail at budgeting often succeed with envelopes because it is tangible, visual, simple. The envelope system works best for beginners. It works best for people rebuilding finances. It works best for those escaping debt cycles. But it is not limited to low income. High earners also overspend. Lifestyle inflation destroys wealth silently. Envelope budgeting stops that. Digital versions now exist. Virtual envelopes replace physical cash. Apps simulate envelope limits. But psychology is slightly weaker digitally. Cash still wins for behavior change. Common mistakes ruin envelope budgeting. Underestimating categories. Ignoring irregular expenses. Skipping savings envelopes. Giving up after one bad month. Irregular expenses must be planned. Car repairs. Medical bills. Gifts. Annual subscriptions. These need sinking fund envelopes. Small monthly contributions prevent big shocks. Flexibility matters. Envelope amounts are not permanent. They evolve with income and priorities. Monthly reviews are essential. Envelope budgeting is not punishment. It is permission with boundaries. Critics say cash is outdated, but behavior hasn't changed. Humans still overspend when friction is removed. Envelope budgeting creates friction. Healthy friction. Credit cards remove pain. Envelopes restore awareness. The method also improves communication. Couples stop arguing about money. Rules are visible. Expectations are clear. Kids learn money discipline early. They see limits. They understand trade-offs. Envelope budgeting builds financial confidence. You stop fearing bank balances. You stop avoiding statements. You feel in control. Control reduces stress. Stress reduction improves decision-making. The method works because it is boring. Boring systems are sustainable. Envelope budgeting doesn't promise riches. It promises stability. Stability is the foundation of wealth. As income grows, envelopes evolve. Investing envelopes appear. Wealth building becomes intentional. Most financial success is not about earning more. It is about managing what you already earn. Envelope budgeting teaches mastery over money, not fear, not obsession. It turns money into a tool, not a source of anxiety. If you master this system, you will never wonder where your money went again. If you want more powerful, simple money systems explained clearly, subscribe to this channel right now. We help you take control of your finances step by step. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Because financial freedom starts with systems that actually work.